Welcome to Kajane Trade and Train. In this video, we will see the safest weekly options strategy. Safest weekly options strategy. There are so many strategies, so many options are available. In my view, this is the one of the safest for the weekly options strategy. Weekly means Bank Nifty weekly expiry date is 17th June 2021. What is the strategy I have formed? This one is Iron Condor. This strategy is called Iron Condor. This strategy Iron Condor uses 4 legs. Just see here, there are 4 trades I have selected. This one is sell 17th June expiry date. Strike price is 35,200. This is C, that means a call. I sold 1 lot. The premium is 295 rupees is the premium. Like this, by 17th June, all these things are same expiry. 17th June, 36,000 is the strike price. Again, it is a call. 1 lot. Premium is 74 rupees, approximately 74 rupees. The third one is sell. Again, 17th June expiry. 35,100 PE, that is put option. 1 lot. Premium is 339 rupees. Again, buy, same expiry 17th June. Strike price is 34,300. It is a put option. 1 lot. The premium is 91 rupees, approximately 92 rupees. What are all the advantages of this Iron Condor? We will see. We will get a maximum profit of 11,698. This is the maximum profit on expiry date, provided the Iron Condor remains in this range. This is the break even point. 34,600 on the downside and 35,667 on the upside. Total range, why I am calling this one safest weekly options strategy? See, the range is almost 1000 points. From ATM it is 500 points up, and on the downside also it is 500 points down. See, the probability of profit. Probability of profit comes to 50%. Return on our capital investment is 3.6%. The funds required is approximately around 58,000. This we have to check with the Zerodha when we are actually put the trade into action. So this is a safest weekly options strategy. Iron Condor expiry for the expiry of 17th June 2021. This has got 1.4 risk-reward ratio. Maximum profit 11,698. Maximum loss 8,303. It's the safest weekly, one of the safest weekly options strategy. What are all these Iron Condor, Iron Butterfly, straddle, strangle? These are all options strategy to make the profits in the market. To know all these things, we are conducting a 2 days workshop on Saturdays and Sundays. You can join and learn all these things to earn. Thank you.